Hey everybody, I'm here. Um, this is going to be a vlog of me fixing my hair. I always get a lot of compliments on how I do my hair, so I thought I would show you guys how I do it. You might hear my little baby in the background, and I am in my bathroom. So I usually do Space Buns. I do have to work today, and when I work, I have to wear my hair up. So, here we go. Don't mind my crusty nails. I have not done them yet this morning. Well, technically it's afternoon. So what I do is I will part it like pigtails. Get all this out. I'm going to take my glasses off. It's a little easier for me. Alright. Do you have the middle right here? I have naturally curly hair. You guys can see it's extremely long. What I normally do is I go ahead and section it. That way I can do the top first. I like to use these little teeny tiny hair bows right here. It's okay if we have little flyaways, that is okay, because I will be putting flowers in my hair. So what I do, put that to the side, get this, comb it out. I have been thinking about cutting my hair, so I've done it before, and if I decide to, I will go ahead and probably film it. A very thick hair. You know it's winter time, so I have been using this. I got it in my Ipsy box. Ghost Oil Verb. good product. A couple squirts in the hand. Put it all through. Hey, Elvis. Elvis says hello, everybody. He always wants to be part of it. Get all that in there. I will put some more. So what I do is, I already have it parted at the back, so I just go with that part. Up, up, up. Pigtail. I know it is, oh, Elvis. Sorry, you guys. I know it is Vlogmas right now, and I kind of wanted to hop on board and get a part of it. I know you guys usually see me doing mini brands or my Ipsy, but I'm trying to do a little something different. Of course, Elvis doesn't want me to film. So what I might do is redo this one. I'm not gonna lie, when I do my hair, I probably wear it for 2 days, and then I'll take it down and do it again. I know you're not supposed to do that, but that's what I do, so that's why I try to make sure I put it up pretty good. There we go. Let's try that part again. Come on, buddy. There's nobody out there. It's definitely not professional over here yet, but hopefully, guys, if you just stay with me, eventually we will make it there. Elvis. I'm gonna put this up and I'm gonna go see what is going on, guys. Just 1 second. Alright, guys, I'm sorry about that. Back to what we were doing. So then I take this side. I will leave this out for right this second. Ponytail, pigtail, whatever you want to call it. Alright, now that we got those up like that, take a little bit more of this Verb Ghost Oil. Kind of smooth all this frizz we got going on. Put it like that. Hey, honey. Let Mama do her video, okay? Elvis likes my long hair, everybody, and he likes to get his little mouth on it. So what I do is I take this, because I like to have some height short. What I do is I take it like this. I'm going to twist it. This will be Space Buns when I get done. And we go up. And I will secure it with these little clippies. And I'll take and do this side, same way. There. Then today I'm going to wear yellow flowers. Just take them. And just put them in. That right there. Put them in one side. One side goes on one side and one side goes on the other. I think I got them backwards. Just gonna take that out. Take this one out. Go. Alrighty. And there is the finished product. Looks pretty good. And there we go, guys. It's my Space Bun tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys again soon.